Hey guys, Jose is here with a pretty long mullet. I'm gonna say goodbye to it. You ready for it?
Yes, I'm ready.
You guys ready for it? Oh, 75% of everybody who's watching hasn't subscribed to the channel yet. It would help me out big time and I can reach 100,000 subscribers. If you help me out, you just have to click the button. You know where it is?
Yes, it's here.
Over here. Click it. Now, let's go to work. See you guys at the end. Aww.
Ooh.
This video is sponsored by Pixie. And this is for everybody, but especially people in the beauty industry. So barbers, hairdressers, a game changer for me and the shop, and can be for you. Pixie is this amazing online booking app that's not just about booking appointments. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. By the way, the assistant never sleeps, so you can get a rest. Gone are the days of back and forth calls and messages. My clients can book and rebook 24/7 online, check my real-time availability. It's like having a receptionist, but digital and there every second of the day. Plus, Pixie puts my shop on the map, literally. With Pixie Marketplace and integration with Google, Instagram and Facebook, new clients can find and book with me with ease. And the marketing tools, oh boy, they save up so much time. I can cut up custom emails, texts, newsletters, whatsoever, even promotions. It's like having a full marketing team in my pocket. All of this comes at one price. And if you like to talk about hair all day, saving time on administration means more time to do what I love. Now, working like this changed the way I do business, and I think it could do the same for you. Check out Pixie, hit the link in the description for a 2 weeks free trial. It's down here. Back to the video.
Wow. Terrific.
Nice.
Ah, nice. Yeah. Wow. I'm glad. Yeah.
That's it, we're done. What a cool change. Here's the before and the after. It's awesome. I saw her gray hair popping through. I said, stop coloring it. Never do it again. She was very hesitant. I said, no, we'll see. Man. No, just kidding. I tried to blend in her natural color into the bleached top. This was bleached 6 weeks ago. It blends amazing. She's willing to wait 6 weeks to see the next result. And we're going full gray, without a doubt. You look incredible.
Yes, yes.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.